O yan, so welcome back to my channel and nandito na tayo sa last part of your process for you to become a registered physiotherapist dito sa Australia under this HCPC, PBNZ, TTMR pathway. Now, on this video, we're going to be discussing TTMR, which is converting your PBNZ registration to physio registration here in Australia. Now, for us to better understand why there is TTMR in the first place, we have to understand first what is TTMR. TTMR stands for Trans-Tasman Mutual Recognition Arrangement between Australia and New Zealand. Basically, it allows people to have their registration be acknowledged and registered from New Zealand to Australia or the other way around, so they can eventually work on their equivalent occupation. And when it comes to TTMR application, it's currently being regulated by APRA still, okay, or the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agencies. When you want to process TTMR, you'll just have to create your account in APRA website, and then you can start choosing TTMR as your registration pathway. Yes, so ano ba yung mga kailangan mong i-prepare? Lahat ng kailangan mo sa TTMR application ay nandun na mismo sa lahat ng mga documents na sinubmit mo from HCPC to PBNZ, no? So wala ka nang kailangang kuhanin pa unless may mga documents ka na nag-expire na, such as yung COGS, such as yung mga police certificates, such as your IELTS. You'll have to retake it, no? Just make sure whenever you try to start an application, dapat updated and hindi expired yung mga documents mo, no? Especially pagdating pa lang sa PBNZ, may mga documents doon na may mga cross mark dun sa mga requirements nila na kailangan less than 3 months, no? Ugaliin yung i-check lagi yung websites na mga a-applyan nyo kasi requirements and eligibility changes every time, no? Dapat updated kayo sa mga changes na yun. Paano ba ina-apply yung TTMR? Mabilis lang siya. Kung nabilisan kayo sa pag-a-apply nyo ng registration sa PBNZ, then definitely it would be the same timeline, and sometimes maaari mo makuha ang TTMR registration mo in just 3 days. Paano ka mag-a-apply? Ano ba yung mga key requirements pagdating sa TTMR applications? Number 1, syempre, kailangan mo nung current New Zealand registration mo and the annual practicing certificate. Now, kailangan mo ba bang isubmit yung HCPC mo? Hindi na. Hindi mo na kailangan isubmit yung HCPC registration mo, but kailangan mo lang isubmit yung New Zealand registration and yung annual practicing certificate from the PBNZ. Number 2 would be obviously your proof of identity. So, kailangan mo ng valid passport and other forms of identification such as birth certificate. Next would be kailangan mo ng police certificate, same as when you applied from the other registration. So, once you gathered all of the documents, you just have to create an account in APRA portal and select TTMR application options. Now, once you have submitted everything, the first step would be verification of your registrations in New Zealand. APRA will contact PBNZ and just confirm your registrations and your annual practicing certificate, and they will also be verifying your good standing in New Zealand. Number 2 would be the assessment and approval. Now, when it comes to approval, it would take around 1 to 2 weeks. Once na ma-receive na ni APRA yung mga documentations nyo and ma-verify na ng New Zealand yung registrations mo. And after that, you're finished. Hintayin mo na lang yung registration mo sa APRA as a general physiotherapist. Congratulations! Secured mo na yung registration mo as a general physiotherapist dito sa Australia. Hopefully, nakatulong ako sa inyo kahit papano pagdating sa pagre-research ninyo sa pathways sa pagiging physiotherapist dito sa Australia. Thank you again, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.